welcome back. It is time for another Vegan Cuts Beauty unboxing. So it's actually Halloween. I got these a few days ago, both my boxes. But as per usual, I've been busy, so it is 1 o'clock and let's unbox boxes. You guys don't know how this works. I will talk about last month's box, what I liked, what I didn't like, and then we will unbox this month's box, and then we will talk pricing. So, there was the wipes. It was the micellar wipes. They were fine. You guys know how I feel about wipes. I don't really care. They're not my thing. I prefer to use like the reusable pads, and like a cleansing balm to clean my makeup off versus a wipe. But when you're in a pinch, like I had just gone to LA for my birthday, it actually was pretty useful to have those, but that's the only time I would use stuff like that. The mask was fine. It's a face mask. Like, it's a sheet mask, so I enjoyed it, but I mean, I would buy it again just because I would buy a mask again in general. But it didn't do anything crazy for me. The This Way, like, moisturizing, tinted moisturizer with SPF. Oh my gosh, I loved it. Like, yes, it was expensive. It was $30. That was the big ticket item. But I loved it. It was really good. I'm going to be purchasing that again, actually. The toner, the witch hazel one, I thought was really good too. I do like I have a few toners that I really like, but I would actually buy this one again. It was only $13, and I think I'm going to keep it in my rotation, actually. And then there was the lip balm, which, I mean, it was a good lip balm. I love lip balm. So it's really hard to mess up a lip balm. Some people have, but this one was good. So that was last month's box. Let's get into this month's box. Open the door to vegan. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. Vegan Cuts. This box supports Blind Spot Animal Sanctuary. This is Bam Bam. Oh, what a cutie. And there is things if you want to know about them. Cool. Meet your new ritual. You just tried Meltway, the first step in your Twilight ritual. So I'm assuming that's one of the products in here. That's fun. Okay. Cool. Little cool coupon thing. I might as well start with that. The Bella and Bear Melt Away Pre-Cleanse. Grape, sunflower, and avocado oil. Ooh, is it a makeup melter? Don't mind my nails, guys. I just got off work, so they're quite filthy. Place a few drops in clean hands and apply to face in circular motions, then emulsify with a little water before rinsing thoroughly. Follow with normal cleanser. So it's a pre-cleanser. Cool. That's pretty neat. There's the ingredients in case you're curious. And that's from Bella and Bear. I've tried one of their products before, I believe. Oh my god, I'm so curious about this. I gotta look at it. This is a lipstick from Medusa's Makeup, cruelty-free and vegan. I have tried some of the eyeshadow powder from Medusa's Makeup back in the day. There's the ingredients. We're definitely going to have to open this. Look at this tube, guys. And the color is called Fever. That's pretty dark, but I can pull off some pretty dark lipsticks, so I'm willing to give that a shot. I will definitely be trying that on in this video. All right, we got more Central Zone headache relief. This is basically the same thing I'd gotten before. I don't know how I feel about it, but I will try it again. I'll try to be open-minded. We got this lip balm again, which I did like. It wasn't my favorite, but it did do the job. But it is that time of year, so I'll take whatever I can get. The lavender coconut. And the Food Story Rice Water Essential Serum Body Roller. Oh, okay. So it's a moisturizer. Interesting. Enriched with rice water, this multitasking cooling roller ball gently massages and deeply hydrates your skin at the same time. Interesting. I find that fascinating. I'm going to have to try that out too. Alright, so as promised, I'm going to try on this lipstick because I'm into it. It's a little bit of something on there. Huh. So, I think it looks good. It's actually not too dark. It's only slightly darker than my normal lip color. So I'm not hating it. We'll see how it continues, but I'm so curious about this, so I have to try it. So it's got like a little roller. Oh, oh, look. Oh, it like squeezes out. Okay. See how that makes my skin feel. But yeah, it doesn't smell very much like anything. It's very mild, almost grandma-y. All right, so yes, that does it for the vegan cuts box unboxing. Now we're gonna talk prices. All right, guys, the lipstick was $14. The body roller was $15. The lip balm was $6. The pre-cleanser, which is the big money item from Bella & Bear, was $28. And the Central Zone clips was $6. Getting the grand total of this box to $69. Is it more than what the box cost? Yes. But is it the best value? No. But I will give these products an honest try, and I will get back with you guys next month on how they turned out. Thanks. Bye.